Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn $7.90 over and over again on complete autopilot. Now it may seem like $7.90 isn't that much money, but considering this is going to be working for you on complete autopilot 24 hours a day, if you're going to multiply $7.90 by 24, you will get $189.60 every 24 hours without you having to do any work at all. All you have to do is just go ahead and set this method up right after watching this video, and also make sure to watch this video carefully from beginning to the end, because somewhere in it I'm going to reveal a secret traffic hack that is going to make this method much profitable without you having to pay for anything at all. So now just be so kind to make sure to hit the like button under this video, subscribe to this channel to never miss out on any of my future uploads, and also make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below to help me with the YouTube algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. Alright guys, so to get started, first of all what you want to do is go to this website right here that's called writesonic.com. We are going to be using this AI writer to generate a high quality article in just a couple of clicks, and then I'm going to show you how to actually monetize this article very easily, so it's going to be making you money on autopilot 24/7 365. So first of all what you want to do is go to this website and you want to grab yourself an account. Then you just gotta log right into it, and once you log into your Writesonic account, it's going to look something like this. Pretty much you can use a bunch of these different tools to create high quality content that you can then monetize, because it's going to be generated for you, so you can pretty much just copy and paste it, use it to make money, and that's what we are going to be doing in today's video. So first of all, go to Writesonic and you want to use this AI Article Writer 5.0 with the exact niche that I myself used to test this method out. And what you want to do is just go to this topic section and you want to type in there how to work from home. Then just click on search articles, and Writesonic is going to use Google to find a bunch of articles that are relevant to this keyword. And pretty much what you want to do is go through these articles and find one that you want yours article to be based on. So all you have to do is just pretty much open one of these websites or multiple at the same time. I'm going to use the mouse wheel to open them in different tabs, and what I'm going to do is go through a bunch of these websites and find one that's going to have some kind of a guide on how to actually find a job that's going to be paying you for working from home. So pretty much this first could work very well, because it's offering some articles that are showing what types of jobs you can do from home and actually get paid for. So you got something like a website tester, customer care, online educator, virtual assistant, captioner, transcriptionist, and all that good stuff. And this is something that you want to replicate. All you want to do is just pretty much create a brief overview of jobs that are going to be paying you for working from home. So I'm going with this first website, themuse.com. I'm just going to select it as a base for my article, then just click on next, and you want to add a bunch of details regarding how this piece is going to be generated. If you want, you can add some additional information in this chat box, for example something like provide section explaining how to get a work from home job. Then in these SEO keywords, make sure to put in there something that's going to be relating to this work from home niche. So I'm just going to type in there something like work from home, remote jobs, online paying jobs, and stuff like that. Then just make sure to select quality type is going to be premium and language is going to be English, and you can click on generate. Now as you can see right here in real time, Writesonic is going to generate this high quality article based on the input that you have put in it, and it's going to generate this very nice looking piece of content dealing with this exact same issue, how to actually start working from home without having to travel to job every day and still make decent amounts of money. Pretty much this is something that you want to generate as a way of giving value first, because first of all we are going to be providing free value in form of this article, and then we are going to monetize it later. So once this article gets generated, what you want to do next is you want to go to Google and you want to search for medium.com. Hit search on that, and pretty much what you want to do is go to this first website called medium.com that we are going to use as a place to distribute this article. And then I'm going to show you a very clever traffic hack, how to actually make it stand out from all the others so you can make money with it. One of the reasons why using medium.com with this method is the best way to go is because if you're going to check it out using similar web extension, you can see that this website is getting over 138 million monthly views, and over a quarter of them are coming from United States. So you can see this website is going to be bringing you tons of tier 1 traffic completely for free. So first of all, what you want to do is sign up to Medium using your Gmail account, and then just click on this write button. What we are going to do is going to write an article, pretty much copy and paste this exact article generated by Writesonic for us to Medium, and then monetize it. So what you want to do is go to Writesonic and you want to just select this entire article, copy it. You want to go back to Medium and paste it into the story just like that. As you can see right here, it's going to also copy and paste this image for you. All you have to do now is just go through this article and make sure to structure it a little bit better. Delete some unnecessary spaces like this, for example. I'm going to delete this entire table of content because it's not relevant for this website, so just delete that and just leave this body of the article in there. Then what you want to actually do is monetize this article. Now to do that, what you want to do is go to digistore24.com and you want to sign up for your free account if you don't have one already. If you do have a Digistore account, just pretty much log right into it. And once in there, you want to navigate to the affiliate marketplace. Now what you want to do here is go to this toolbar on the left and you want to go into this job and employment section. And now it may start coming all together for you guys. What we are actually going to do, we are going to use this affiliate product right here that's called Social Media Freelance Job, Get Paid Doing Simple Tasks, to monetize the article generated by Sonic. And as you can see right here, this product is going to be making you around $7.90 on average in affiliate commissions. But using this product, you can pretty much skyrocket your sales over time because it's going to be paying you 85% lifetime commission for the basic $27 monthly subscription and also for all the upsells in the funnel as well. So pretty much you want to find this product called Social Media Freelance Jobs and you want to get your affiliate link, then just copy it. Then you want to go back to your Medium article and you want to find a section in this article that's actually explaining what jobs can pay you for working from home. So pretty much for me, it's this part right here where it says customer care or customer service representative. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a sentence right below this part of the article that's going to say, check out the best work from home job offers here. Then all you have to do is just highlight this entire sentence and you want to make sure you are going to make it bolder so it's going to stand out a little bit more against the base text. Then you want to click on this link button and you want to embed it with your affiliate link. Just like that, so it's going to look something like this. Now, go ahead and copy this entire sentence and you want to paste it below every job that's in the article. So pretty much my article is looking something like this. It's going to provide many different options for work from home jobs, but yours may look a little bit different. Pretty much what you want to do is paste this sentence embedded with your affiliate link into multiple points in there in some relevant spaces. So it's going to serve like a call to action, so people who are going to be reading this article and they are actually looking for a way to work from home, they can check out some of the best offers using your affiliate link, and if they are going to make a purchase or subscribe, and once they are going to click on your affiliate link, they will be taken to this sales page that's going to be doing all the selling for you. All you have to do is just make sure you are going to drive the most amount of relevant traffic to your affiliate link. Now to do that, what you want to do is just actually paste the link into multiple sections in the article, just as I said before, just like that. And then what you want to actually do to make this article compliable with Medium standards, you want to go to the bottom of it and you want to type in there a sentence that's going to be like this. This article was created with the help of AI generator. The article contains affiliate links. That is pretty much all you want to do right here on Medium. Now you just want to publish this to Medium by pressing this green button, and you want to add some topics which are going to be serving pretty much like keywords, so this is going to be more easier to find. So I'm just going with something like work from home, remote job, and pretty much stuff that's going to be relevant to the article. Then you want to just click on publish now, and once your article gets published, now it's going to start getting traffic. Now because getting traffic to these articles is going to take lots of time if you are just going to leave them out in open just like this. That's the reason why I'm going to show you 2 traffic hacks, how to actually boost this article so it's going to bring you tons of free traffic. First of all, what you want to do is go to top of the article, click on this share button, and you want to copy its link. Then you want to go to this website right here that's called pinkfarm.com. What you want to do here is just pretty much paste your link in there, and what you want to do is just click on mass ping. What this website is going to do, it's going to generate backlinks to your article that's going to help it rank on Google better. So every time somebody is going to search for work from home jobs or anything to do with remote working, remote jobs or stuff like that, your article is that much more likely to pop up and people are going to be seeing your article as opposed to others. Now the second traffic hack that you want to do to boost this article is just pretty much go back to Sonic and you want to find this Twitter Threads version 2. Click on that, and what you want to do is actually generate a couple of tweets using this AI in just a couple of clicks, just by typing a topic that's going to be work from home remote jobs, okay, then I'm going to use tone of voice excited, okay, language English, premium type, and then just click on generate. And as you can see right here, Right Sonic is going to generate a bunch of Twitter threads for you very easily, so you don't have to come up with anything like this yourself. All you want to do then is just go to Twitter, which is pretty much now called x.com. So just go to x.com or Twitter. It's the exact same social media, just under a new name. And you just want to click on post and just start copying and pasting these AI generated tweets in there. So pretty much you want to create like a Twitter thread that's going to be filled with these tweets. All you have to do is just copy the first one, click on this plus button, and you are going to create another post which you are going to fill with the tip number 1. Okay, then just add another one, copy, paste it in there, then just add another one, just like that. And in this last one, what I'm going to write is something like this: ready to kickstart your remote work journey. And what you want to do then is just go back to your Medium article and just copy its link one more time, and you want to paste it in there. All you have to do now is just make sure to post this to Twitter just like this, and because you have put the link to your Medium article in there, every time somebody is going to read through this Twitter thread, they are going to see the option to go to the article, and if they want to learn more about the remote jobs, they are going to click on it, see this article, go through that, and if they are going to apply for the jobs, they are going to click on this highlighted link, get to the sales page, make a subscription, and you are going to get paid. Now I'm going to share with you one more free hack that you can actually use to boost the Twitter thread itself, and to learn how to do that in great detail, I highly recommend that you're going to check out this video right here, where you are going to see the entire process step by step. So just make sure to watch this video, and I'm going to see you there.